Hey guys, welcome to the Rusty Beauties garage, and today I want to show you this beautiful 1965 Triumph TR4A, which is for sale. So I want to walk around the car and show you what it looks like, and I don't know how much the owner wants for it, but if you're interested you can email me and I'll put you in touch with the owner and you can go from there. Externally, it looks beautiful. It looks like it's been restored really well. All the panels are matching very well each other. Good door gaps. Everything is as original. Many times you see TR6s and TR4s and 250s where these gaps are missing here, where the panels joint, because people just bondle over them. Here everything looks like original. I'm pretty pleased with the body. Chrome is in excellent shape. It has this luggage rack that is mounted on the hinges and the license plate holes, so they didn't drill additional holes on the boot lid. Chrome wire wheels in excellent shape as well. I haven't seen any dents or scratches or anything like that on the car. It looks gorgeous. Front bumper is in an excellent shape as well. The top is a canvas top in a good shape too. Now something has been done here. I don't understand what this is. A piece of vinyl sewn backwards, I guess. Oh, maybe they closed the zipper. Is there a zipper on it? Yeah. So probably the zipper went bad and they just stitched over it. Well, that's one negative. But yeah, honest review. I want to show you the good and the bad. So that's about it on the outside. Let's look at the bonnet, at the boots. Nice and clean. And let's look at the interior as well. The interior is in an excellent shape too. Door panels look good, not warped. The seat foams might be a little bit, I don't know if that's, yeah, a little bit soaked, but no, actually they look good. Just this part is a little bit too deep, which I don't know why. The passenger seat looks good. Actually, the owner uses covers on top of this, so he preserved them in a good shape. I just took the covers off so I can take a video. It has a Triumph radio that actually works. I don't know how good it works, but it has FM and AM. The dash is the wooden dash. Looks like it's in a good shape. The crash pad is good. So everything looks pretty well. So far only the zipper on the soft top is what I don't like about this car. Under the bonnet it looks pretty clean. Has the stainless steel shroud. I just installed a brand new fuel pump because somebody installed the electric fuel pump before and the owner didn't like it. So we went back to the mechanical, brand new one. The engine bay looks actually pretty good. I know it's been nice and shiny recently at some point, but that's what happens after you restore the car and then all the bare metal starts getting surface rusted, which drives me crazy. But it has a dual Stromberg setup that I just tuned. That's why the car was here. Runs and drives pretty well, so I'm gonna show you that as well. And eventually, of course, we're gonna put it on the lift and we're gonna go underneath and we're gonna check what's there. I know it has an overdrive. Yeah, so let me start it And let's hear the engine. There you go. It's warm because I was working on it, so can't show you a cold start now. Oil pressure is at 50. Gauges work as they should, except like I said, the speedometer is pretty fast. It has a Pertronix electronic ignition, and yeah, what else? Everything else is just stock. So I'm gonna include here a video from my test drive yesterday when I was tuning the engine, and other than that, I think there's nothing else to show you on the outside. Let's put it on the lift inside the garage and go underneath. Wow. This is crazy. She runs so much better than when she came. Well, the ignition system was also not in a great condition, but I test drove her when she came and it was real bad. Wow. She has an overdrive as well. Okay, this guy is in my way now, so I'm gonna turn around. Okay, let's go again. Okay, so here she is on the next level, the upper level. So let's see what's underneath. So it has a dual exhaust, stainless, I believe it's Falcon. I just cleared the label here, yeah, it's a Falcon stainless exhaust. Solid rear axle, it's not independent rear suspension. The frame looks in an excellent condition. I don't see anything wrong with it. No rust anywhere. That's good. It's totally rust free. You see the ends of the seals over there. These are normally the first thing that goes. The floor drop is in an excellent shape, so looks like it's been taken care of. So there was a little leak from the overdrive, which by the way is an A-type, but anyways, there was a leak from here, from this cover here, but these two bolts were super loose, so I tightened them and I'm gonna keep an eye on it to see if it is gonna leak again. I don't think it will, so we're gonna monitor it. There was also a little leak from the diff, which also I tightened the bolts, and we're gonna monitor it now to see if it is gonna continue leaking. But hey, it's a Triumph. If there is no leak, then there is no oil. Yeah, the frame is just great. And the engine, normally this is where there is a leak from the rear seal on TR4s, but this one is holding. Yeah, suspension looks like it's in a good shape. These are rubber bushings, but they have some cracks there. But I tried already, there's no play anywhere. Seems to be good. The tires are, I don't know how old they are. So what are they? Well, they have some cracks. So it's gonna need new tires. Yeah. .165 SR15. I don't see a date on them, but looks like they're pretty old. So it's gonna need new tires for sure. Anyway, but you can see the seals and everything. Looks like it's been kept in a really good shape. Yeah, no oil for now. So that's it, nothing special here. And that's it. So that's everything. I think I showed you everything. Well, I didn't mention that, but it has also a custom center console over there, which is really convenient, not as a storage, but as a arm rest. It is fantastic. I love it. And by the way, I put the covers back on, so anyway, I think that's everything. Like I said, I don't know how much the owner wants for it, but if you're interested, let me know and I'll put you in touch with him and you can talk directly to him. I don't want to be in the middle. I just wanted to show the car as it was here. And I have this fantastic audience, which thank you for that, guys, that eventually someone might be interested. So that's everything for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.